Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you block someone on Cash App. So guys, you can block someone or anyone, any business or any person on Cash App very easily. So first of all guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, you may open your App Store or Google Play Store, and you will make sure that you have latest and updated version of Cash App. So simply in search bar you may write here Cash App, and guys, you may update your Cash App if you have older version of Cash App. So let's check. I have latest and updated version. Then guys, you may open your Cash App and you may log in or sign in with your account. After this guys, you may check guys here the option of activity. So you may click here and you may select any business or person from here, and here you on right icon you may show the option of block or unblock. So you may unblock or block anyone from here. But if you're unable to block or unblock from here, then guys, you may click here on your profile icon, and then you may scroll it down, and here the option of support. So you may click here and you may contact to Cash App support team from here. Click here on chat and you may contact them and tell them your problem, and Cash App support team will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.